You see how there's a layer here. So you see how it's kind of wet and it's kind of gummy. That's got to come off. That gummy stuff. And so when it dries, it hardens up like that, you know. But you got to get all that off, and it's got to be nice and smooth. The old Indians would take that gum and they would eat it. No, I'm just kidding. No, they used to make a ball out of it.
Oh yeah.
And it would go hard. And that's how they used to play their ball games with lacrosse and all that before they went to war. But I know they used to use that stuff. So after this is all the hairs off, we have to check the thickness of everything if we were to brain tan it, because it's all got to be about that thick.
Really?
Yeah.